Look at this mess! Grease, grime, and burnt-on food everywhere. Today, I'm sharing my secret for perfectly clean stove burners. No harsh chemicals needed. Just 2 simple ingredients. First, fill your kettle halfway with water and add 1 cup of vinegar. Bring the mixture to a boil. Place all the dirty parts into a basin or a heat-resistant container. Carefully pour the hot solution over them. Let it sit until it cools down. Once it's warm to the touch, start scrubbing. Use a sponge for flat areas and an old toothbrush for those tricky, hard-to-reach spots. Rinse everything with clean water and wipe them dry. Put them back in place and enjoy the shine. Fast, simple, and eco-friendly. Try it yourself.